Hey everyone, it's me again, your favorite financial wake-up call. I'm here to pop those pink bubbles before the economy pops them for you. Today, let's stop staring at the green and red candles for a second. Let's forget the short-term market noise, the get-rich-quick hype, and the latest stock tips from your brother-in-law. I want you to grab a strong cup of coffee, sit down, and let's have a real, raw, heart-to-heart talk about something that sounds a bit gloomy, but is actually the most vital conversation you'll have this decade: your retirement plan. I want to ask you a serious question, and I want you to be brutally honest with yourself. Have you ever actually sat down with a calculator and looked at what 20 or 30 years from now will actually look like? When your back is sore, your knees are clicking like a telegraph, and you've lost half your teeth, will that pension or that 401k you're so proud of actually buy anything? Or will it just be enough for a single bag of generic groceries and a bottle of low-grade painkillers? To be fair, I used to be dangerously naive myself. I was a straight-A student of the old financial system. I truly believed the American fairy tale. Work like a horse for 40 years, pay into Social Security, stash a little bit into a Vanguard fund or a savings account every month, and you'll be set for your golden years. I dreamed of that classic, peaceful retirement. Morning walks in the park, afternoon golf sessions with old buddies, and taking the grandkids to get ice cream without ever having to check my bank balance, and definitely without having to move into my son-in-law's basement just to survive. But hitting 2026 was a massive bucket of ice water to the face. Watching the evaporating value of the dollar made me realize I was building a luxury mansion on a sinking sandpit. The retirement plan we were all sold, it's not just outdated, it's a relic from an era that died a long time ago. If you don't wake up right now, your retirement is going to be a horror movie about working until you drop, not the peaceful rom-com you've been dreaming of. Why do I dare say traditional retirement plans are doomed? Just look at the cold, hard, disgusting reality of inflation. 20 years ago, you could walk into a diner with $5 and feel like a king. A full breakfast, extra coffee, and you still had change for the tip. Today, $5 might get you the smell of the coffee and a dirty look from the waiter. A decent meal is 20, 30, sometimes $50. So I ask you, 20 years from now, what will that same meal cost? 100? 200? 500? Meanwhile, does your pension or your bank interest crawl as fast as the sprinting prices of meat, gas, electricity, and especially medical care for seniors? The answer is keep dreaming. The fiat system was designed to keep you just alive enough to keep working. It was never meant to preserve the value of your sweat and blood for decades. You're holding a clinically dead asset and hoping it will provide you with a life of dignity in the future. It's a game where the house has already picked your pocket before you even walked through the door. But listen, here's the most dramatic part: the emergency exit you need to know about. When I talk about using digital assets to save your retirement, I am only talking about Bitcoin. I am absolutely not talking about those altcoins, meme coins, or revolutionary crypto projects that your nephew or some crypto bro on social media keeps trying to shill you. Why only Bitcoin? Because in this digital universe, there is only one thing recognized as digital gold, and that is Bitcoin. Every other altcoin, no matter how much they claim to be faster, cheaper, or smarter, still has an owner, a CEO, or a foundation behind it. And where there's a human owner, there's someone who can print more, change the rules, or worse, disappear with your retirement fund to buy a private island. Investing your golden years in altcoins is like taking your entire future to a casino where you don't even know the owner's name and they can change the numbers on the dice whenever they want. Does Bitcoin have a CEO you can call? No. A marketing department? No. An office in the Caymans? No. And that is exactly why it's the only asset you can trust for the next 30 years. Bitcoin is a different species entirely. It has no owner. No one can create more than 21 million coins. No government can print more Bitcoin to pay for their wars or their bank bailouts. Bitcoin is a time machine for your labor. It's like vacuum packing your hard work today and opening it 30 years later to find its purchasing power is still there, or even multiplied. Now, I hear the traditionalists in the back. Hey, real estate is safer. It's physical. I can touch it. I can leave the house to my kids. Look, I love real estate too. I'm not denying it has value. But think about when you're 85 years old. Your back hurts, you can barely walk, and you need $50,000 for a critical surgery right now. Can you walk out to your backyard with a chainsaw and cut off 1 square foot of your kitchen to pay the hospital? Of course not. You'd have to list the house, find a buyer, deal with agents, pay taxes, and wait months for the paperwork. By the time the cash hits your account, you might have already met your maker. But Bitcoin, it's right there, in your pocket, in your hardware wallet. You are the sole master of that wealth. You don't need a bank's permission to spend it. You don't need a real estate agent to sell it. Need to pay a bill or fly across the world for a last-minute miracle treatment? A few taps on your phone and you have liquidity instantly, 24/7. That is the true freedom and dignity a retiree needs, having wealth and total, unshakable control over it without relying on a system that is designed to let you down. I want you to imagine your future self. Do you want to spend your 80s worrying if the government will devalue your pension again, or if your Social Security check will even cover a gallon of milk? Or do you want to sit on your porch, sipping your tea, knowing that the energy you spent working in your 30s and 40s is safely stored in the most secure network in human history? I'm not telling you to be reckless. I'm not saying bet the farm on a whim. At our age, safety first is the only rule. But I want you to wake up to the biggest risk of all, the risk of doing nothing. A retirement plan that is 100% based on paper money and a bank account being eaten by inflation every single hour is the highest stakes gamble you can possibly take. Treat Bitcoin as your ultimate insurance policy. Start moving just a small piece, maybe 5%, maybe 10%, from those dead assets into Bitcoin. It's the only way to pack up the energy of your life's work and send it safely through time into the future. Don't wait until your hair is white and your legs are too tired to move, only to realize that the retirement fund you spent 40 years building only buys a few cheap, processed meals and some low-grade pills. Do a reality stress test on your future tonight. If that vision of stable poverty scares the life out of you, then start learning and acting now. Don't be a victim of an old financial system where you're just the debt payer for someone else's printing press. If this message hit home, smash that like button and share this with your buddies who are still sleeping on their cash and relying on the system. Let's help each other wake up. And don't forget to subscribe to Future Freedom 360 so we can keep discussing hard money, Bitcoin. Stay smart. Choose Bitcoin for a peaceful, sovereign retirement where you go where you want, eat what you want, and live how you want. Don't regret being stubborn today. Stay healthy, stay wealthy, and keep your wallet full. I'll see you in the next one.